Alright guys and girls, welcome back to another video. We have a good one for you today. This is a Subaru Outback and it is a smoker's car. As you can see, there is ash everywhere and a light layer of kind of ashy dust pretty much on every panel, every piece of carpet, every piece of upholstery. So we will get through all of this and make it look new again. Here is a bunch of dog fur and dirt embedded into the terrible fibers that a lot of manufacturers use on their rear trunk areas. So it's really hard to get that stuff out, but we'll show you some tricks on how to do that. And here we're just going to show you a couple more spots all the way around the vehicle. As a reminder, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and make sure you like and comment on every video. We're still doing the 1,000 subscriber giveaway where we will be giving away $100 in a gift card to someone who likes and comments on all of our videos. All right, so really quickly, I just wanted to highlight two products for you guys. This is P&S products, and this is their Brake Buster. It's a non-acid based wheel cleaner, especially on the inside of the barrel of the wheel. It can be a pain in the butt to get in there, and so I filmed this. I know I overexposed it, but I did it so that you guys could see the inside of the wheel. And all I did was spray that product on there, let it dwell, and then rinse it off, and all of it came right up. Makes it really easy to clean your wheels. And the second product here we're going to be talking about is from Technician's Choice. It is their ceramic detail spray. As you can see, I just sprayed down the hood of the car and all the water is just laying flat on the panel. There's zero protection on it right now, and I just want to show you how quickly you can protect your panel and create water beading just using this product. So all I'm doing is spraying it on the panel, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and right away you'll be able to see the big difference, just how hydrophobic the panel is now, all the water beading, and how easily the water sheets right off of the panel. So both of those products and everything else we use in our videos is going to be linked down below straight to the products listing on Amazon. So if you want it, you can pick it up there. Now we're going to get to the interior and just let you guys enjoy. We're going to do some vacuuming, then we'll do some extracting. We finalized the whole job with some steam using our McCulloch steamer. And the reason we used the steam at the end was just to kind of button everything up and also to help remove some of the odor from the cigarette smoke. And as you can see here, I am removing that top layer with the vacuum, the top layer of dust and ash, but the seats are still really stained, so we're gonna get after that with the extractor and get all of that cleaned up.